YouTube, what is up, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Y'all should already know what time it is. It's paint day, baby, and it's about to go down, man. Super short intro, man. Make sure y'all hit them sub buttons, hit that like button, turn on all post notifications, man. Y'all already know, man. Let's get it. Today, man, so I spared y'all all the prep work, man, with taping this thing up, taping it off and cleaning it up. And you know, this how far I got so far, man. Just hitting these little floor channels up. I mean deck channels. Hitting these up, getting these out the way, man. That way I can have, you know, at least some of that done. It's going across this kind of light. So I'm gonna be going in and out, man, cause I left my other GoPro batteries at home. Stupid me. But I do have my big camera, so that's how we gonna do it, man. Just getting y'all a little quick update. All right, man, we at the back of the transom now, man. We got inside the hatches and the lids done as of right now. So we just going over everything else, man. And from what I'm looking at, y'all, it looks like I'm gonna have to go across this thing with a nice old, after I paint this, with a nice old 400, man, for that final smoothing out. So y'all, get back to y'all. Remember, I'm on one battery, man, so I'm sorry for not bringing y'all all this footage. All right, man, quick little update on how far we got, man, as y'all can see. Whew. It's tough out here, boy. It's like, man. Well, it's tough out here, boy. It's like, gotta be like 98 degrees, boy, and barely any wind blowing. So, like, again, I apologize, y'all. Only got one GoPro battery, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get a little further. Another little quick update for y'all, man. This boat is kicking my ass. It is like 100 degrees out here. And this boat is soaking up this black, man. I mean, like, soaking it up. I can't even go across that light, y'all. Like, I was planning on doing this, like, maybe like I did the transom, like 2 or 3 times, 3 coats. But I think I'm gonna keep this to a minimum, man, and spray this heavy, because I'm not about to pass out here, man. So that's the plan for this. Hit this thing up 2 times, and I'm already on my 3rd can. As y'all can see what I got done so far. I'm already on my 3rd can, so yeah, man. Battle tank, man, it's coming, man. Last man standing, y'all see it, man. The battle tank. Whew. man, to give y'all a little overview, man. As y'all can see. Shit, man, I'm so tired, man. This boat kicking my ass, man. I can't even count. The boat kicked my ass, man. Getting this thing down the black, boy. This shit kicked my ass today, boy. This in the sun. It took a lot more of this black to go on this boat, man. Just like drinking its black, man. So. Doing the best I can. I'm liking the results that I'm getting right now. It'll just be about me, you know, doing my little final thing once I get this thing, you know, get this thing all done up, and it'll be on me left to put this 400 to work on here, man, and just get it super smooth, man. So just wanted to give y'all a quick little update, man, and almost finished with the total top cap of the boat, man. So here we go, y'all, man. Whole top cap of the boat, man, has been painted, man. We're gonna let this thing dry up. Know I got some spots I'm gonna have to hit back up, you know. Just to let y'all know, I had bought 5 cans of this black, man, and I ended up having to go back to Home Depot and get 4 more. So I used 2 of them and I got 2 left, man. So I'll save them other 2 for after I do this little sanding, man, to hit up some touch-up spots and everything. But I got me a layer down. Y'all can see some of this stuff is rough. You know, like spots back here where I had to put it on heavy, but that's no big deal. I'ma smooth this stuff out, man, with the 400. And this thing came to life, man. As y'all can see, man, all black, man. Get y'all out this sunlight. All black, man. Thing look nice. Just need some final little details and she'll be looking all pretty, man. As pretty as she can be. So yeah, man, somewhat satisfied with what I'm looking at right now. Can't complain. Got everything touched up much as it possibly can be. I'm tired as hell. This boat kicked my ass. It was 90 something degrees out here, man, today, which was terrible, but a good day for me, man, so this thing could dry and cure up, man. And then I could get to it with that 400 grit and sand it up. And you know, just do some touch-ups, man. Just do a few touch-ups, man, and be done with it. And I could go to putting my seats in and adding these accessories, putting the steering wheel on. What else? All the other things that's going on here, man. My lights. But you know, we ain't gonna move too far ahead. We're gonna go one step at a time. Even though y'all here, I'm thirsty, man, to get this stuff done and get it in place. But we gonna try to do it the right way, so we won't have no issues. Even though we not gonna have no issues, but we gonna try to do it the right way as much as we possibly can. You feel me? Oh yeah, man, I'm tired, I'm burnt out, man. That's what it is though, man. I'm gonna get a little footage on the big camera, man, and I'm about to end this video, y'all, and go get me some relaxation, man. Probably jump in the pool, cool myself off a little bit, and get ready for the next game plan, man. So catch y'all on the big camera, man. Alright, man, what is up, man? Closing this video out. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. Man, painting this boat today kicked my ass, man. I can't front. But we got it done, man. Still not done yet. Got to put this 400 grit to it, man, and hit up some touch-up spots, man, just to get this thing smooth and finalized. And we'll be done with painting this boat for right now. Still got the sides of the boat to do, man, and up towards the bow of the boat, man. But so far so good, man. I'm impressed. I don't know, man. I don't know what else to say, man. I'm just so happy, man, and I'm tired as hell. Like I said, this boat kicked my ass. It was like 98 degrees today, man. So we gonna end this video out, man. I'm gonna take a few pictures. Y'all make sure y'all sub if y'all new, man. Hit the like button. Make sure y'all turn all post notifications on and rock with your boy, man. I went in today, y'all, man. Told y'all I want to plan, man. We got it done. She looking real good. And we not done with it yet, man, but we almost done. So thank y'all for tuning in. Fishing with Nate, baby. We out of here. Peace.